Hi, I'm Andrea from the Sapphire Theater Company, and I'm here to promote and remind you about our virtual open mic night happening on our virtual stage, Facebook Live, or streaming live on our YouTube channel Thursday night, this Thursday, the first Thursday of every month at 7 p.m. I hope you will join us. And if you know of an artist who would like to participate, our email is stcopenmic@gmail.com, and our producer, Nick Carpenter, will get you set up. Our host, Daniel A. Martin, is the best in the city, and he will take good care of you. I will say, our comedy acts are a lot funnier if you join us after drinking one of these cocktails. It is the Turkey Toot. It's a shot. I'm going to teach you how to make it today. And even vegetarians might want this wild turkey on their table this November. So, for this cocktail, you will need the fancy glassware like I have here, shot glasses. This is Wild Turkey 101 proof bourbon, Irish cream, and coffee liqueur. I'm using Kahlua. So, for this cocktail, it is a layered shot. The reason why we do it as a layered shot is because if you mixed it together, the overproof bourbon and the cream would curdle. So the first step is to pour the coffee liqueur in the bottom, and it does need to be done in this order. Now, secondly, we're going to use a spoon. So the spoon is how we get the neat layered effect. I just poured my Irish cream into this neat glass to make it easier for me to pour. And I'm pouring it over the spoon, making a mess while I do it, which will hopefully result in the neat layered effect. Let's see. Well, I have plenty of paper towel. Magic of TV is happening here and now. Now we're going to do just exactly the same thing with the wild turkey. Pour it over the spoon, and it should sit right on top. No fear. There we go. Now, this will either be the perfect distraction or the perfect celebration after Tuesday night's event. Remember to go out and vote. This is a nice strong cocktail, but to keep the layers in it, you want to drink it all at once. Shoot it, don't sip it. I made a second one here for my cameraman. Cheers. Join us Thursday night, 7 p.m., streaming live on Facebook or on our YouTube channel. It is tasty, I promise. See you Thursday. Don't forget to vote.